Good day everyone! We would like to present to all of you how valuable the 100 pesos is to the lower class, middle class, and even to those people who belong to the upper class.
Now, you can see what is the difference between the lifestyle of the upper class, the middle class, and the lower class. Based on the information that we gathered through interviews with regards on how they spend the 100 pesos and how important it is to their lives. We noticed that some of our fellow citizens said that the 100 peso meal is important for a one-day meal just to fill their empty tummy. Let us hear our interviews to Mang Carly.
Para po sa inyo, ano po yung pwede nyo maibili sa 100 pesos po? Sa 100 pesos?
Sa 100 pesos. Sa pagkain, paano?
Pwede po sa pagkain.
Pwede sa pagkain. Makakabili ako ng 2 kilong bigas. Magkano kilo? Sabi ng 20, 29, 58. Tapos mayroon pang matitira doon na magkano pa. Para nasa ulam yun.
Pang-ulam na po yun.
Pang-ulam na po yun. Tsaka yung wala ka ng pambili ng ano doon ng pangsahog.